This is a lovely, quick little kidney massage to warm up the area if you feel like your lower back feels a little bit cold, if you've been in a draft, if you feel like you've been sitting in the same position for too long and your back is aching. This massage very quickly and easily brings in more qi to the area. It promotes circulation of blood, of fluid to the area. It really helps to nourish the kidney area itself, and also the lower back. If you feel like you have lower back issues, if you've got problems with achiness, with any kind of injuries to the area, this is a lovely, safe little massage to do. And the way in which we do this massage is we use the heels of our hands. So we're using quite a bit of pressure on the heels of the hands here. We're going to use both hands and we're going to put them into the back. You'll see when I do this, my fingers will be placed so that they're facing downwards. I'm just going to turn around and just show you what that looks like now. So this is the position. My shoulders are nice and relaxed. The heels of my hands are into the lower back area and my fingers are facing down towards the floor, towards the heels. And all we're going to do for this exercise is just simply rub up and down either side of the spine, so not on the spine. So just follow along with me. You can be standing or sitting for this, but what I want you to do is really make this rubbing massage quite vigorous. So it can be quite fast so that you feel lovely heat in the hands. And also transferring that heat then into the back. If you're standing up, just check that your knees are nice and loose and relaxed, so a little bend in the knees. Moving the tailbone down to create a little bit more openness in the lower back area. And by now, you should start to be feeling a little bit of heat. And then when you're ready, you can just bring the hands back down by your sides. Relax the hands. Close your eyes for a moment and feel not only into your lower back area, which hopefully will feel nice and warm by now, but also feeling into the hands and the arms, because that exercise generates heat in both directions. So you will most likely be feeling a bit of tingling in the hands, maybe a little bit of warmth. And that's really a great sign that you've brought a lot of qi into your arms and your hands as well in order to perform that massage for your kidneys. So really benefiting the circulation on many levels there. Just now with your eyes closed, bring your hands together, palms rubbing together now to keep that heat going, generate a little bit more heat. When the palms feel really hot, place one hand over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Feeling the heat from the palms of your hands now. Traveling through the eyes from front to back, out the back of your eyes, and allowing that lovely warmth to nourish your mind. When the warmth has dissipated, then to bring yourself back into the room, give yourself a little face rub with your hands, a little mini massage. And as you do that, gently opening the eyes and allow your hands to drop down by your sides. And smiling. So that's a really quick kidney massage to warm the lower back area, to warm the kidney area, to bring more circulation of qi and blood and fluid into that whole lower back area. And it's a really great exercise to do in the winter if you feel a little bit cold, especially in the lower back, and if you've got any lower back pain or ache as well. So it's a good one to do first thing in the morning, actually, for anyone who wakes up and feels that their back is a little bit stiff. So you can start with that really kind of invigorating massage, which will help to loosen things up and set you up for the day.